Ratification itself. Once again, we only needed 9 of the 13, so the first state to ratify was Delaware. The 9th state to ratify was New Hampshire. So at that point, this document should have gone into effect. But at that point, Virginia and New York had not ratified yet. Virginia is very important to this whole entire process. George Washington is from Virginia. Thomas Jefferson is from Virginia. And if their state does not sign on to this document, there's no way that it's going to go through. Same with New York. So the Constitution needs the support of these 2 states. And at the time when New Hampshire ratified as the 9th state, it did not. So once again, those Federalist Papers play a role here because they are written for the people of New York to convince them that this is a good thing. Vermont is actually a 13th state.
All faculty and staff are reminded to join the FFA for breakfast in Mrs. Griffith's room. All faculty and staff join the FFA for breakfast. Thank you.
Sorry about that, but I'm not starting this video over. So Vermont is the 13th state, which is interesting because it's not one of the original 13 colonies. And I hope you know which one of the states or which one of the original colonies had not ratified at that point. Rhode Island does not ratify until 1790. Rhode Island and actually North Carolina is another state that holds out until later, and they become states later. But basically what happens, it convinces Rhode Island that they need to do this, is that the U.S. Senate actually passes a bill that ends commercial relations with Rhode Island. We're not going to trade with you. And then Providence, obviously a significant city in Rhode Island, threatens to secede from the state and actually leave and become their own state.